Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to find your recently added contacts on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the contacts on your iPhone and then here swipe down to reveal the search bar at the top. Then in the search bar type a single letter like A and this will bring up all your contacts. By default, contacts are sorted alphabetically, but to your recently added ones, tap the recent tabs if it's available in your phone, and this will show you the calls and contacts you recently interacted with. And for more details, you can also download the Contacts app from the App Store if it has a better filtering and sometimes makes it easier to spot a newly added contacts. And that's it. That's how you can find your recently added contacts on iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.